Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and I'm so excited because we are touring my dream vacation home today. I think you're gonna love it. Let's dive in. I am thrilled about this. So I found this beautiful home online. It is available to rent. You guys can stay here. I'm gonna show you why it is the coolest place we've ever stayed. Over here, we've got some beautiful outside space and amazing views. Let's go check out the inside. It's seriously the most beautiful place we've ever stayed. Let's head inside. I just love the character and charm of this home. It is seriously so cool. Over here, we have this gorgeous living room. The view is amazing. I love this location because it's in San Diego County, just a short 20-30 minutes to the beach. And then you have these rolling hills and kind of that wine country feel, which was a lot of what inspired our current home that we're building. I love that Mediterranean modern vibe, and this house has kind of that, it reminds me of a home that could be on like a vineyard, and all of those cool rustic type Mediterranean, but fresh and comfortable California living vibes that I just cannot get enough of. Such beautiful ceilings here. And this is a home that was remodeled, and they did such an incredible job. I can't get over it. Really cool furniture details. They did a great job incorporating pieces that are both like one of a kind, rustic, like these tables you'll see, with other things that are more common, like this Target tree, and yet it just feels really high end and that really good blend. We're gonna pop outside. There's a dining room here, and I wanna show you more of the outdoor living because they just have such beautiful natural light and kind of this flow that can take you from indoors to outdoors, which make this home such a good one if you have a large group. Look at this outdoor dining. It's so pretty. There's a grill, a built-in grill here. And then these lights are gonna be just so magical in the evening. And just look at this view. This seriously, like, I can't get over this house. Like, I saw the pictures online and I fell in love with it. And then when I saw it in person, it's even more stunning, which I didn't know was possible because it was already so good in the pictures. There's a lot of dining space, indoor and outdoor, so that this home can really accommodate a lot of guests. There are 6 bedrooms with all of them having king size beds. I'm going to show you those soon. I want to show you, this is like a little sitting area, and the kitchen is incredible. So we've got this with a built-in bench, a fireplace. It's just so cozy and inviting. Love the style of this. And look at this kitchen, you guys. Is this not like the coolest? Plus, check out this little dining nook over here. Like I said, there's so much dining space. You can eat at the counter. This gorgeous large island. I am obsessed with this little nook. I have this light in my house and these chairs. It's so fun, and they have a built-in banquette here, which maybe we can get a close-up on because it's really pretty. It's like a faux leather, and so it just is a really nice mix of materials. We've got this cool table, reminds me of a surfboard, and then so much kitchen space. You can seat 6 at this pretty island. Big range, so gorgeous, and all of this counter space. Like, is this not a dream? Like, I just want to move in. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this house. Like, I know I'm a little, like I'm on a 10 right now of excitement, but I can't believe that it's better in person than it even was in the pictures. Like, so nuts. Even look at the fridge. Such a stunning fridge. Okay, let's peek in here. So this connects to the other dining room. The layout is really, really great. Yes, I love this huge island because, like, if you're entertaining, and there's a lot of wedding venues around here, so this is like so great if people want to rent for their whole bridal party or something. I seriously want to do like a couples trip here, and I love, love, love this countertop. I think this is Taj Mahal marble. It's just so stunning. I may be wrong. I haven't looked at countertops for a minute, but I'm pretty sure. And then let's just get a peek from this view. You can see the flow of this house is really nice, so that's back into that dining room that we looked at earlier. And that chandelier, I actually used in one of our flip houses. It's a good one. Look at this area. This is so creative and cool. Look how they use this space. This really unique storage built in with this pretty arch and the fun light fixture. And they have a spot for the microwave. Just a really, really cool built-in detail that has this charm about it that, like, I'm just so impressed by. I love it. It's so cool. And that gives you all that storage, open storage for all your dinnerware. Oh, I have to show you guys something kind of cool. I was exploring in the kitchen, and look, they even have, this was like the coolest thing. I opened this drawer to find that my same dishes that I have at home are here. So, like, I don't think we could get any more at home here in this beautiful house. So let's go check out the bathrooms and bedrooms in this home because they are incredible too. I fell in love with this bathroom here. This one's right off, you know, the bedrooms and the entry, and so it's just the coolest. Look at these details. Like, how cool is this? This is like Amber Interiors vibes. And then the gorgeous shower. Like, I did honestly not know. Show them the shower and the tile. That slate is like what we had on our bedroom floor. It's so pretty. I did honestly not know that there were other short-term rental properties that looked like this. So this is like epic. Show them also this, a really cool little built-in niche for storing your extra toilet paper. I thought that was cute. Let's head down here. Another little hallway off of this leads to a guest room here. Here's one of the guest rooms that I am loving. This one has the nice king-size bed, like I mentioned. Beautiful, luxurious white linens. This whole property is just help you feel at home, comfortable, and also all the luxury. Over here, how cute is this coffee bar? This is such a cool detail. This is just as we're entering the main suite, and it is so fun. All right, so we're coming in here to the main suite. We're gonna pop into the bathroom through this little archway, and it's so cute. Really, really pretty. Love every single, like, look at the detail. How cute is this? And this is a fun runner that I have as well. Love even the countertop selections, the fun lighting. We've got a nice big closet and then the toilet room, and look at the shower. And even the shower, like you guys, all the details in here are so stunning. They've got the pretty Chloe tile and an awesome pattern, and the beautiful stone bench. Like, there's no detail spared. And the flooring with the pebble tile, and a little extra surprise coming out here. See this door here? How about this? It's an outdoor shower, and it's all secluded with your palm trees and your blue sky and this beauty. I love it. Isn't it cool? Love the outdoor shower. Back inside this main suite, look at this cool built-in area. This is the kind of detail that like you see in the most luxurious homes, and you can have it in this amazing rental. I'm just like a big fan, obviously, clearly. And look at these pieces. I'm obsessed with these nightstands. They're like these reclaimed, rustic. They're one of a kind, so they're like similar, not exact, but they have, this room just has the best feel. I don't wanna leave. I like wanna cancel some of my activities so I can just enjoy this. Really fun artwork. Look at that headboard too. It's really cool. It's like a vintage screen, and love these lights. I think these might be the Target ones. They look so good. Also loving, of course, this really fun lounge at the end of the bed. This is a rug I have in my house, so it's kind of fun to see it here. It looks incredible in the space. And this amazing, gorgeous arch mirror. I love having full-length mirrors, and they have them all throughout this house. Makes it so much easier when you're getting dressed and everything. It's sort of like they just thought of every last detail. And then we've got even a reading nook here, and we'll pop outside to check out the outdoor fireplace too that I mentioned.
Glasses on.
Yes, I'm prepared. No UV rays getting in here. Actually, these are like $5 glasses. All right, how cute is this? I'm like, look. This little lounge. They've got olive trees all over this property, just real live olive trees. This outdoor fireplace is gonna be so fun to come sit out here at night. We've got friends coming to join us, so this is gonna be amazing. And love this circular patio set here. And then this goes back into the kitchen area. This whole place just kind of wraps around and is really a perfect blend of indoor outdoor living and just so much beauty to take in. Also, even look how cute the doors are. Love this green tone. They did an incredible job on this house. So we're gonna go see a couple more guest rooms. And this house, one thing that's really cool about it too is it has a guest house. So there's actually 2 kitchens on this property. One that's in the main house, and then one that's out in that guest suite that we'll look at. How cute is this little area? Oh. It's fine, everything's fine. Even at the end of the hall, there's just this really cute little detail as we come into another guest room. And see what I was saying about how they have these amazing floor length, or what are they called? Yeah, full length, floor length. I was like, something's not right. Full length mirrors, it's so fun. And then all of these beautiful windows. This one has a view out to the courtyard area out there. We'll look at that. There's a fountain, just like the most magical, charming home. Here's another guest room. Such a cute headboard and design in here. Really neutral and calming throughout the whole house. Oh, and another really cute bathroom. The bathrooms are just like the cutest things. Ben's gonna get you an angle. I don't wanna get in the shot because taking all that great detail, they did such a great job with that concrete trough sink and then fun sconces, the mirrors, every last detail. I love that there's double sinks in here too, so that, you know, when a couple bedrooms are sharing, this will be so nice that there are the 2 sinks, and then also that this room can close off. So somebody could be showering, using the bathroom while someone else is getting ready. So it's a very well thought out space, and like I said, just incredible detail. Here's another guest room. Yes, I think we did talk about the king size beds again. Look at the beautiful fountain out there. It's so fun. There's a laundry room here, just off the garage. So you can get all of you could stay for a long time. And I believe they give a discount if you stay a full week, which is cool. And I actually have a coupon code for you no matter what, specifically for you. I asked them if they'd give me one. and they did. It's $150 off. So if you want to book this property, DLD 150 is going to give you $150 off your booking for this home. Kind of some fun space out here. There's a dartboard, ping pong table. They've got the tumbling tower stuff, just kind of a hangout place for the kids. Big garage, it's a 3-car garage. Right through this door is the amazing guest house I told you about. There's a beautiful fountain, so it's super luxurious. There's even a hammock. Look at this, so fun. And all the palm trees that you could ever want. An action video. So let's go in here because this is really cool. So like if you come, with another family, you come with your in-laws and you want them to be away from you, the perfect spot. And this has its own living space here, you can see, with a TV, super comfy, and then a little dining, cutest little dining nook. Let's check out over here. Little place to eat. They've got counter stools here, and how cute is this kitchen? It's got everything you need. There's the fridge and freezer. Over here, a range, sink, all the dishes, just like such a cool little use of space so that you can have this whole other living area. And there's a bedroom right here that goes out to another outdoor space. Look how pretty this is. So a little place you can sit out here, take in all of this openness here, see the views. It's just really, really charming. And like, I don't know, the design is just super impressive. So here's the bedroom. So we come back in, again, king size bed, nice and airy with all the windows, and another bathroom that I think you're gonna love. I think they just did so good with the bathroom details because they have, like, bathrooms can get kind of like redundant sometimes, but each of these bathrooms has like its own personality. Beautiful countertops, just like such fun. These are the same lights we had at the flip house in the kitchen, and they're just full of charm with that seated glass. Extra towels even in a cute spot. Love this. And then the shower, this fun pattern tile shower. And then you gotta show them how cute. Go in there and look at the back niche where the soap and stuff is. All the bathrooms have even the cutest like toiletries. What are they called? You know, your shampoo, conditioner, your body wash, just so luxurious. So anyways, I think this is the best kind of place to stay if you have a large group, especially because there's just so much space for everybody to have fun, and thought this would be fun to tour. And then of course, this is a great place to showcase a lot of these products that are some of my favorites. So I'm gonna link some of those for you as well in the description. And again, use that code. Remember too, this is 6 bedrooms. So you could bring 6 couples, you could bring a big family. And so it really makes it such a good value because you can divide it by how many people are staying here. You know what it actually costs you per night. So use that DLD 150 to get 150 off. And we are so excited about this vacation. We'd love to have you like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what your favorite detail of this property is. Let me know if you've ever stayed somewhere like this. It's such a cool spot. And you can use my coupon code DLD 150 to save that 150 off your booking for this incredible home. We'll see you next time.